Hello, this is Sammy from Drillmaster. As you can see, I'm in Drillmaster's factory specified to manufacture drilling trucks right now. A batch of drilling buckets and temporary casing is about to be shipped to overseas buyers.
This order has rock auger, flat rock auger, core barrel with bullet bits, core barrel, double cut soil buckets, open body buckets.
Turn prospector into clients. Show utmost sincerity and win satisfaction. Placing an order is the client's way of saying that we are trustworthy. Your trust is the force that drives to do even better. These orders prove Drillmaster's strengths, and the repurchase rate highlights our clients favor our product for their high quality. Choose us and let Drillmaster perfectly solve your drilling problems.